Hello, it's Gavin again from Lucid Computer Solutions. Hope you're well. Today another unboxing video for you, and it is another laptop, and today we have this Asus laptop, another Asus. We've done a few of these lately. So this is the Asus Expertbook, and it is a P1410CD. Did have to glance down at my notes there because, as ever with these model numbers, I struggled to remember them off the top of my head. But yes, it's basically a 14-inch Asus Expertbook is the simplest way I can put it. So let's go ahead and open up and see what we've got. So as ever, decent packaging from Asus with the inspiring "in search of incredible" phrase in there. So let's grab that laptop out. We'll put it to one side a second and see what else we've got. So our laptop is in there, nicely packaged as ever. And elsewhere in the box, what do we have? So we have a USB to Ethernet adapter. So clearly this laptop doesn't have built-in Ethernet, but you do have the option of wiring in using the adapter. It's a nice thing to see, that is. Usual warranty and setup information. Under here, I would expect us to have our power lead and power brick. And that's basically our lot in terms of the box. So back to our lovely Asus laptop. So yes, this is a 14-inch Asus Expertbook. I will run through the spec of this in a second. So there it is. Now, what I would say straight away is I love a 14-inch laptop. A 14-inch laptop is just the right size for me, definitely, because look at that keyboard. No number pad slapped on the side just for good measure. There isn't one, which is fine by me when it comes to a laptop. That won't be the case for everybody, of course, and therefore it makes it look so neat and sleek, doesn't it? I think that looks really nice. As ever, materials used by Asus are great. Nice and smooth on the hand, nice to touch. It's not leaving my dirty paw marks all over it. So great materials as ever. So yeah, that is a lovely sized, and the weight of it isn't too bad either. Nice, decent 14-inch laptop for me. So spec-wise of this one, what do we have? So in this one, we have the Ryzen 5 processor. So a really good processor in my opinion. This one has 8 gig of RAM. It has a 256GB SSD hard drive in it. And it has a 14-inch screen, as I mentioned. Importantly, it has Windows 10 Professional though. So you can use Windows 10 Pro if you're in a business and you need to make use of them pro features to perhaps talk to a server, connect to Microsoft Azure services, things like that, and BitLocker encryption. That's all there out of the box, so to speak. Elsewhere on the laptop, what do we have? So we have a couple of USB ports, we have an audio jack, and we have a micro SD card slot on the one side. On the other side, we have our USB port, a HDMI port, USB Type-C port, and power lead point as well. So all in all, quite a bit of connectivity there. Great form factor with it being 14-inch. You can see I can kind of hold it with the one hand. Great machine for business. Spec-wise, it's good, so this will perform well. The question is, how much does it cost? How much for how much? So this one, in my opinion, very reasonable, around about £550 at time of recording the video in December 2020. So yeah, about £550 this one. So £550 for a reputable brand like Asus, a 14-inch laptop, which I think is great, with a Ryzen 5 processor, 8GB RAM, 256GB SSD, Windows 10 Professional, I think is very good value indeed. The question always with these little unboxing, first impressions, mini reviews, whatever you want to call them, is would I use this laptop? Yes, I definitely would. Absolutely. Really like it. I could tell I would get on with that. Absolutely no problem at all. I think I could use that for my work out and about with customers. No problem at all. Maybe I'd like the built-in Ethernet for me personally, doing techie things on site, but there is the adapter. And maybe I'm just nitpicking, of course. But yes, I would 100% use that laptop happily. Good laptop. So I think that's about it for today for this unboxing and first impressions of the Asus Expertbook P1410CD. I'm going to say that again because I'm not sure I even got that right. P1410CD. There we go. If you've enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Smash the like button down there for me, and that really helps grow our channel. Please do subscribe. We're releasing new content all the time, so please do subscribe to the channel, and please do comment on the video. I always try and read and respond to all of your comments as best as I can, as quickly as I can when time allows, so please do that. And all the links are down below to connecting with me on LinkedIn, Twitter and Instagram. So that's been me, Gavin from Lucid Computer Solutions. See you next time. Bye bye.